Your next question is, which bird feeds milk to its young? These are your options. A. Eagle. B. Cuckoo. C. Pigeon. D. Bat. The correct answer is D. Bat. Your next question is, which bird never makes a nest in its life? These are your options. A. Eagle. B. Crows. C. Cuckoo. D. Pigeon. The correct answer is C. Cuckoo. Your next question is, eating the seeds of which fruit can cause death of a cat? These are your options. A. Apple. B. Papaya. C. Guava. D. Melon. The correct answer is B. Papaya. Your next question is, does eating dog die? These are your options. A. Curd. B. Samosa. C. Chocolate. D. Pork. The correct answer is C. Chocolate. Your next question is, which creature does not have ears? These are your options. A. Ant. B. Snake. C. Spider. D. Hidden bud. The correct answer is B. Snake. Your next question is, residents of which country live on trees? These are your options. A. China. B. India. C. Africa. D. Australia. The correct answer is C. Africa.